There are a number of channels making a ton of money with YouTube Shorts, racking up millions of views and revenue without even showing their faces. They consistently create viral concepts and high-retention shorts that keep viewers hooked. But how are they doing it? Like, look at this Shorts channel. They get millions of views and revenue from just posting shorts on YouTube. Like, this is amazing. In this video, I'll break down how channels like this make shorts in just a matter of seconds with a secret tool. The name of the tool is vid.ai, and it is awesome. It can generate viral concepts, scripts for your shorts, AI-generated videos, and most importantly, money. To create AI-generated YouTube Shorts, we'll then head up to vid.ai. Just click on the first link and sign in with your Google account. You can create AI-generated Instagram Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts, literally any type of short-form content you want. This is where your projects will be saved and you can access them anytime you want. On the left, you can create a new project, Faceless Shorts, or generate text for your shorts. These features will get released soon, so stay tuned for more videos on vid.ai in the near future. Here you will see how many credits you have left. Now let's create a Faceless Shorts video. Here you have a choice between creating a shorts or generating fake text viral videos. I'll choose Faceless Shorts. This is the interface and you can change the title of the project. I'll name it Shorts. Here you can choose between popular topics, prompts for script generation, or just type your own scripts. Let's choose a popular topic. I'm going to choose scary stories. Here is the duration. Now let's test out the voiceovers.
You know more than you think you do.
The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the
One today is worth two tomorrows.
I like this voice. I think it fits with the scary facts video. As you can see, you have a ton of voiceovers that you can choose from. Now here things get a little interesting. With vid.ai, you can generate high-quality AI-generated images. And as you can see, there are a lot of categories that you can choose from according to the type of video you want to make. Trust me, this can take your YouTube Shorts channel to the next level. You can also add popular gameplay videos or viral videos as background for your YouTube Shorts. I'm going to select the cinematic category of image generation as I believe it will match the niche of my video. Now just click on Generate Content. You can also see that it takes 5 credits to generate one Shorts video. Now here you can edit the script or regenerate the AI images or just upload any image you want. All of these images are replaceable. Now after making changes, just hit the next button and that will lead you to advanced settings. Here you can choose the background music. Let's play this one. This song is perfect for the niche we have chosen. As you can see, you have a ton of songs to choose from for your shorts. Now here you can change the caption settings. Here you can select the font type. You have some unique options to choose from. I'll select Montserrat. Here you can select the color of the text. I'll choose red. You can also select if you want color on the background. I still like the red on the text, so I'll choose that and just click on Generate. After a while, you can download your shorts into your system and post it on YouTube. Now let's check it out.
In the heart of the forest, whispers of the past linger, echoing through the trees. Legend has it this key unlocks a door to a forgotten realm. The cabin stands as a warning, a place where no one dares to tread. Inside, shadows dance, hinting at the secrets that lie within. But someone is watching, waiting for the right moment to strike. The door creaks open, revealing a chilling darkness that beckons. Reflections can deceive, showing what should remain hidden. The storm rumbles, awakening the souls that rest beneath. They rise, drawn to the living, seeking vengeance for their untimely end. Fear grips the heart as the light flickers, revealing the truth. With every step, the path grows darker, uncertainty lurking ahead. And in the silence, the whispers return, reminding us, some doors should never be opened.
Vid.ai is created by Matt Parr from the Make Money Matt channel, a seasoned YouTuber who runs more than 12 channels and knows the grind of content creation. If you're ready to automate your YouTube Shorts creation and focus on growth, Vid.ai is the tool for you. If you made it this far, consider subscribing for more tutorials. And if you want to know how I create AI-generated voiceovers for absolutely free, watch this video and I'll see you there.